What is trading? According to the dictionary, trade means buying and selling or the exchange of goods. The word shares roots with words like track, trail, and tread, which means way. A way is a method of doing something. Trading is a way of making money. Someone who asks you what your trade is simply asking you what your skill is. Trading is a skilled way of making money. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money because it takes special professional skills to do that. It's the best business in the world, actually. It's also the most competitive enterprise, the most liquid market with over $6 trillion traded every single day. A trader gets paid when his analysis of the market is right. His only job is to compare the value of currencies in relation to one another. That's his only job. Comparing the value of currencies in relation to one another. That's it. That's what trading's all about. So for this job, he gets paid in pips. So a pip is an acronym for point in percentage, PIP, point in percentage. It's also known as basis point. It's a tiny percentage in price increase of 1/100%. This price change is only visible in the financial economy, which is different from the general economy. So traders are able to profit from these tiny price fluctuations. So trading is a type of investment that's called speculation. So this is what this business is about. So why trade? All right, I'll be honest. When I started trading, I only did it because I knew the ladies loved it, right? But the ones who see clearly are those who see the vision and not the path. If you're gonna start trading, you have to be prepared to face the hardships. You have to know the reason why you want to be in this business in the first place, because you're gonna face a lot of hardships, a lot of difficulties that you feel like quitting. You really feel like giving up because you're gonna lose. You're gonna be isolated in your own world. Like you're gonna have to learn from scratch. Like it's not easy for you to be a trader. It's not easy for you to be successful unless you attune your mind to that success. Your method of sticking to it, like your stick-to-itiveness, that grit will tell you if you have the dream or if the dream has you, right? So whatever reason you're gonna have for trading, it will have to be a personal reason that comes from you, that comes through you, right? The reason I trade is because I need money in order to live in this world. And what money gives is the freedom, because with money, you have choices. That's it, right? Another reason is money saves time, and time is more valuable than money. So with money, you get to buy something that money can't buy. Yeah, it's also really fun to trade. It's an adventure. It's exciting. It's unpredictable. Every day trading is a different adventure because something new is happening. The market is representative of the entire globe's mind. That's how it operates. Everything is connected. The market is connected. Everything in the market shows you something happening in different spheres of this reality. It's really amazing. And ultimately, you can make as much money as you allow yourself to make. You get paid as much as you allow yourself to grow as a trader. And I think that's pretty amazing. And some of the disadvantages that come with trading, because they are there, it's really lonely to be a trader, because the whole day or the whole week, the whole month, the whole year, you're just sitting in front of a screen watching ticks, waiting for your chance to pounce on the market. And you're doing this alone. Probably have a book or something like I do, or you just have some music playing like I do, right? It's really painful to be wrong as well, especially if you're a man, because the ego be tripping. Yeah, so it's really painful to be wrong, and you have to really swallow it because the market has immediate feedback. If you're wrong, you have to watch yourself be wrong while you lose your money at the same time. And the risk factor. It's risky to trade if you don't know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, it's not risky. Another disadvantage of trading is that there is no paycheck. The market operates in an atmosphere of uncertainty. So you don't know what you're gonna get or how you're gonna get what you're gonna get. You know you're gonna get something, but you don't know how it's gonna come to you, you know. So that element of uncertainty it's a disadvantage to some extent. So overall, trading is not for everybody. Everyone can trade, but not everyone can make money trading because people have different temperaments. Some people are too shy to trade. Some people are too risk averse to trade. Some people are too conservative. Some people are too sociable. Like, you want to be in an environment where there are a lot of people. How do you become a day trader at home? Maybe if you're in a proprietary trading firm, yeah, maybe it's fine. But if you're at home trading in your library, you know, maybe that's not suitable for you. So different people have different preferences with that. So how much should you start with? So this question has no real answer because that's really up to your bank account. You should start with something that you're not going to miss if it's not in your bank account anymore, whatever amount that is. But the best way to start is to start with nothing, using a demo account to start trading, just to get some skills. That's the best way to start. Well, actually, the ultimate way to start is to start by paying for your education, to use your money to pay for your education. And I'll just quote Benjamin Franklin, who said, "Empty the gold from your purse into your mind, and your mind shall fill your purse with gold." That's it. That's it. So if you could start comfortably, I think if you start with $300 to $500, that would get you started. That would be a good start. But if you're able to start in the thousands, so how long until you're a millionaire, right? Everybody asks me how much they will make trading, but no one ever asks how they can be the ultimate trader. It's not about the million, really. It's about your acumen. Your acumen will get you to the million. In Scarface, right? Tony and Frank are talking, and Frank tells Tony, the people who last long in this business are those who fly straight. But if you're about the money, the booze, and the girls, you're not gonna last long. The same thing applies to trading. Yeah, this isn't drugs, right? But the same principle applies. If you're just about the chicas, you might not last long, because trading is glorified in movies, but the secret to all success is discipline. If you can nail that, you got it right. So don't make it about the money. Just make it about placing good trades, and the money will make it about you. So ultimately, how do you place your first trade and become a trader? First things first, you need a good internet connection, right? No brainer. Good internet connection. Second thing, you need a good broker. So a broker is something like a bank, is a company that handles your money. I recommend XM and Hot Forex. Those are the ones that I use. And download an MT4 platform. So this platform will help you to execute your trades. And open a chart. Any chart you want. Open a chart. Choose a lot size. A lot size is the value of each pip according to your account. In a micro account, a pip could be 10 cents. In a mini account, a pip could be $1. Standard account, a pip could be $10, you know. Depends, generally speaking. And set it, take profit and set it stop loss. Very, very important. Take profit and stop loss. And buy or sell. You're now a trader. Congratulations. Thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you get the best trading book in the world. See you next time.